Are you tired of scrolling through social media and feeling like everyone has the perfect body except for you? Do you feel like you've tried every fad diet out there with no success? Well, have you ever considered trying basil seeds? Basil seeds, also known as Sabja seeds, are a natural and effective way to help you lose weight. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to use basil seeds for weight loss, let's talk about why they work. Basil seeds are packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help regulate your metabolism and keep you feeling full for longer. So, how do you use basil seeds for weight loss? Well, it's simple. All you need to do is soak 1 tablespoon of basil seeds in a glass of water for about 15 minutes. Once the seeds have soaked up the water and become gel-like, drink the mixture before a meal. You can also sprinkle the seeds on top of salads, smoothies, or any other dish to add a healthy crunch and boost your weight loss efforts. And that's it. Incorporating basil seeds into your diet is a simple and effective way to help you shed those unwanted pounds. Of course, it's important to remember that weight loss is not just about what you eat, but also about staying active and being mindful of your overall health. So, in addition to incorporating basil seeds into your diet, make sure to prioritize self-care, exercise regularly, and stay hydrated. With a little bit of effort and the help of basil seeds, you can achieve your weight loss goals and feel confident and healthy in your own skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.